Hey you guys, happy Monday. Congratulations. You did not die or go to jail over the weekend and remain in jail until today. So you're free. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to kick off the week on a great start, get you guys moving. As usual, we're going to open up with 3 minutes to 5 minutes of monostructural movement. We just want to get the blood pumping, get your heart rate up. If you've ever watched the video before, this is probably becoming annoying, but warming up is really important, and for us, warming up means actually warming the body up. So get some blood going, get the muscles activated, gentle, easy stuff, and then let's kick into some foam rolling and stretching. We want to make sure that you're activating and warming up before you stretch, and during the stretch, if you don't have a foam roller or a lacrosse ball, I really prefer this to get into active stretching. So like our dynamic range of motion, when we're going thumbs up, thumbs down, crossing here in the front of the chest. You could do inchworms, you can do walking lunges. Really, we're trying to take your body through a range of motion at a slow, controlled pace, not doing what we call static stretching, which is where you just bend over and hang there. There are some effects that can be beneficial, but in a halter pose, I can go into why that's bad for you. It actually can reduce power output. So we don't want to do that before we work out. Now that we're stretched and warmed up, we're going to dive into today's movement. If you look into Wildfire, you're going to notice there's an A1, A2, A3. That means we're going to be supersetting these and going between each of the movements. So today we're going to have 5 sets of each of those movements. The 3 movements we're going to rotate between are the hang power clean, double unders, and a handstand walk. For the hang power clean, we're going to need a barbell or a kettlebell or a dumbbell or a pair of, or I like to just demo with laundry detergent today since I'm in an apartment. This is where I live, so you can see what you can do from home or in a gym. Movement 2 is going to be a double under. Ideally, we have a jump rope, but if you don't have any equipment, we can also make do with that. And movement 3, again, the handstand walk. I'll show you guys some demonstrations. So we're going to work through these 5 sets, and we're going to begin with 2 hang power cleans. In the hang power clean, if we have a barbell, we're going to begin with the bar above our knee and lower than our hip. From here, all we're really looking for today is a really aggressive pop motion. Okay, so your feet are flat. We're going to drive through the feet and squeeze your butt. So I like to just practice a couple of those really quick. If you look at me from the side, the really important thing to notice is I'm driving up. I'm not throwing my hips forward. Okay, so we want to stay out of the toes. You guys can save your moves for Friday night. Right here, we're coming here. Drive up. Push your legs, drive up. After that, we're going to high pull. Okay, and then we're going to just catch in the position. So from here, we're going to explode. Elbows are going to pull up, we're going to knuckle over the bar, catch in that hang power position. If you have a single kettlebell or dumbbell, we'll go in the goblet position. We can basically go from here, we can load, make sure your lid's on tight, pull and jump. Pull high, jump under. If you have 2, have 1 in each hand, same thing. Pull high, go to that rack position. We'll do 5 sets of 2. In those 2 reps, we'll hang on the whole time. So it'll be 1, back to the hip, 2. Drop. After that, we're going to advance to double unders, where we're going to do as many reps as possible in 30 seconds. Now, if you can't do double unders, you're just going to AMRAP single unders. If you don't have a jump rope, we are just going to do jump taps and practice. Double tap or single tap based on your ability to jump and maintain, but it should be 30 seconds of continuous work and then allowing yourself some rest. Finally, we're going to finish up with a handstand walk. Some variations, if you're not able to handstand walk, would be wall walks. Generally, I like to do something about 1 rep every 10 to 15 feet based on your own abilities. So maybe you're a really strong wall walker, but you just can't handstand walk. So if it's 50 feet, you're probably good for 3 to 5 wall walks. If you can't handstand walk and wall walks are really tough for you, maybe you just want to do like 1 or 2 wall walks. Another alternative would be to take the feet, we're going to handstand walk the distance, and just convert it directly into a reverse bear crawl. A reverse bear crawl is when we're in a bear crawl position on all 4s, and you walk with your butt first, okay? So we're just on all 4s, you're walking heels and butt first, pedaling through your hands. You're going to feel that in the front delts and in the arms, very similar to a handstand. So that's probably the easiest modification to do, no matter where you are. After our 5 rounds in the lifting and supersets of part A today, we're going to advance to part B, which is the fun part. 6 minutes, all out, empty the tank. You can choose rowing or assault bike. If you're at home, I'm going to go ahead and send you on a 6-minute max distance run. and we can convert roughly to every 400 meters is equivalent to 25 calories. That's a loose conversion, but it is a conversion nonetheless that we can use, and you'll have an idea of what your score is. So if you can run a mile, you're looking at roughly 100 calories in 6 minutes. I hope you guys have a great workout today. Thanks for chiming in and checking out the video. If you have any questions, post below or email me or comment on any of our social media at Warrior Training Systems. Thank you guys so much. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay human.